So here's a named tweet called Mixed Signals. Mixed signals. Ah, blissful self-righteousness. You can see it on their faces and hear it in their words. I stand against injustice. I want suffering to end. This isn't a novel position. It's what most of us want. The actual difference in opinion isn't the goal, it's the way. So what this is talking about is that all sorts of people from all different parts of the political spectrum, the ideological spectrum, the religious spectrum, they all have similar goals in common. And yet, a lot of the propaganda put out by the media firms on either side of, especially the dualistic, hyper-partisan, two-party climate in the United States, we all have similar goals. It's like peace and prosperity for the people of our country and the world. But a lot of people do think it's America first, which is totally fine. I think every country should say, our country first, other countries second. That makes the most sense. It's the responsibility of a land to take care of itself first, because who else is going to take care of all the things that happen, that crop up? So obviously it makes sense. But, there's the left way to do things, and there's the right way to do things. The left wing and the right wing. And there's other, political and economic philosophies and ideologies. And I would say you try to take the best of each, but you do focus on home first. Because really that's where the empathy is. Those that have lived in that country, in that community, in that group, whoever it might be, for whatever reason, they're the ones that understand the plight of these people. And they're the ones. So, that's why I do support the Electoral College. I think that, when you have all these different entities and states, the children, the United States, the federal government, is the parent. Each state is a child. You have to give attention and love and representation to every child. Makes sense. We can call that child theory. I think Joe Biden came up with that one. Child theory. Thanks, Joe.